We think about them, we plan our lessons. Listen to the children say, oh, way, oh. Just grade those papers, go ahead, get reading. Not anyone can do it, say, oh, way, oh. Show the kids you've got that fire. Encourage them to aim higher. Show them all what they can do. Challenge them to all push through. I know we all agree. We feel better when we're teaching. Yeah, yeah. Better when we're teaching. Yeah, yeah. We love doing it together. We all feel better when we're teaching. Yeah, yeah. When they finally get it, you just have to admit you're proud that they have learned and you say, oh, way, oh. Cause you're confident, yeah, that they did their fair share. You knew that they could do it, say, oh, way, oh. Show the kids you got that fire. Encourage them to aim higher. Show them all what they can do. Challenge them to all push through. I know we all agree we feel better when we're teaching. Yeah, yeah. Better when we're teaching. Yeah, yeah. We love doing it together. We all feel better when we're teaching. Yeah, yeah. It's okay. Come here. Better when we're teaching.